Welcome back to IT Certified with Joseph. Today, we're going to talk about the CompTIA Network Plus certification and why is it still one of the most important certifications you can earn right now in 2026. This exam has 5 domains. Before we talk about the certification and why it matters, let's quickly dive into those domains so you know. The Network Plus have 5 domains, which is network concept, 22% on the exam, network implementation, which is 20%, network operation, which is 19%, network security, which is 14%, network troubleshooting, which is 24%. If you are studying, I have said that in one of my other videos, I'm going to say here, if you are studying for the exam, the smartest way to do it is to focus first of all on the one that has more weight on the exam, which is troubleshooting and concept. I don't want to say that you don't have to study the other one. Not absolutely. You have to study every single domain, but still you want to study those ones first, and then when you're going to review everything else, you're going to come back to them. So Network Plus teaches you the fundamentals that make everything in IT works. Cloud, security, automation, AI, all of it is about network. So now, what is the impact of this certification on your career? With Network Plus, you are qualified for real job, help desk technician, network support specialist, junior network administrator, IT support analyst. Employer trusts you with this certification because this is a real certification that tell them you know our network goes, our network function. You will learn the skills on how to configure router and switches, set up wireless network, troubleshoot outages, secure network connection, understanding IP addressing, and VLANs. These are skills you will use every single day on your job. That's why it is still relevant in 2026. Cloud and AI are taking over right now. But guess what? Everything is running on a network. Every virtual machine, every container, every AP call, every cloud service all travel across a network. Network gives you the foundation to understand hybrid network, VPNs, firewalls, load balancer, all of those stuff. When you understand networking, you stop guessing. You start diagnosing. You speak the language of IT, of the machine. And the confidence that this gives you will get you hired. This certification is important for beginners. If you are serious about building a long-term IT career, Network Plus is one of those certifications you don't want to miss. So it was a pleasure making this video for y'all, explaining the importance of Network Plus in today's world and today's workplace. So I will see y'all on the next video about network, because we're breaking down every single domains about network. It will be a focus on the channel so soon.